Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching us on how to upload videos the right way in order to get more views. I know a lot of us have been uploading this way, and this particular way is not the right way in which you will upload and get the reasonable amount of views you desire. So if you really want to know how to upload the right way, make sure you're watching this video to the end. I'll be dropping a screen record at the end of this particular video just to explain better. You guys know me, I love to explain with screen record. Watch the screen record to enable you know how to upload your video the right way, the right optimization to use, how to analyze your video in a way that YouTube will be able to know that this is the particular kind of video you're posting and how to push it to the right audience. So watch this video to the end so you can understand. So guys, this setting is in your YouTube studio. Click on studio.youtube.com to take you to the desktop version of your YouTube studio. Then look at that arrow up there, the one I'm trying to zoom. Is it that you click on create or that arrow facing up? That's how you're able to upload video from your desktop version of your YouTube studio. Guys, this is the right way in which you should be posting your videos. Then click on upload video, select file. Make sure you click on select file. Then head straight on to the file you want to upload. It's loading and here it is. So right here you have to re-edit this description, both the description and the title. You have to re-edit and write the right one for each videos, because if you don't, you'll be having the previous description and title still on the video. So I'm trying to clear this out so I'll be able to put in the right one for this particular video. So this video is why you should keep posting on your channel even though you don't have enough views yet. Keep posting as long as you're going to do this few step of optimization that I'm going to talk about and show you in this screen record. So don't be in a hurry to leave. Relax, calm down and watch this video to the end, because it's really going to help your channel. These settings are very vital for your channel. Put in your title, your description. I've already written the title and now I'm writing this description. Make sure that the description is well explained, because description is one of the tools that YouTube will use to understand your page algorithm and the rightful audience it's going to push your video to. So don't be in a haste to write your description. Make sure your description is well explained and going straight to the point. The exact reason for that video should be written in the description. Towards the end of this screenshot, I'll be showing you a particular feature you have to turn right on so YouTube could know the exact kind of content this particular content is on your page, or the particular kind of content you want this particular video to fall under. So don't be in a hurry to leave this page. Like I said, calm down, relax and be detailed with your description. That's what I'm doing right there. YouTube tutorial, don't give up on your channel, why you should keep posting. Yes, because make it very searchable, in which if anybody wants to look for a particular topic, it should be your channel that YouTube will be recommending to them. Yes, so there we're done. I was done with writing the description. You can see I took my time on the description, went straight to the point with keywords, and then I'm coming down to my thumbnail. YouTube have auto-generated thumbnails if you don't have already made thumbnails. So for the sake of this video, I'm trying to show you that you can actually use YouTube generated thumbnail, but you should be able to create your thumbnail yourself, like a very catching one, very colorful, that and clickable one. You can check my videos to see how to create a very beautiful and catchy thumbnail. Is right there in my videos. So after that, scroll down to more. YouTube is asking if this video is for kids. Click on no. It's not for kids, because if you say it's for kids, some of the kids video, they don't put adverts and they won't pay you for it. Okay, so come right down to tags. Tags is one of the most important thing you need to do before posting your videos. And again, on tags, go straight to the point. Use keywords. My channel is about YouTube tutorial, so this video is a YouTube tutorial. Yes, low views. Anybody who is going to type anything relating to low views, my channel will be recommended. So make sure that it's something that anytime they click or they ask, your channel will be one of the things that YouTube is going to pop out there for people to be able to watch. Okay, don't be in a hurry when posting your videos on YouTube, and that's why it's more recommendable to post through this desktop version of your YouTube studio, because all those features are not on the YouTube. It has limited. And after that, after getting your tags, we're heading straight to allow embedding, publish to subscription field, allow videos and audio remixing. Yes, all of those should be turned on. Then this is the important one I was telling you about. Category. What category are your videos? Are you on music? Are you on lifestyle? There's a lot of category. Make sure you pick the one that you're doing. And here we are doing how to and style, like it's a how-to video. So if your videos are vlogs, don't go and pick how-to videos. Okay, make sure you pick the rightful one for your channel, because this is one thing that will make TikTok push out your video to the right audience out there that your content resonates with. If not, they are going to be pushing into the wrong set of audience that will only be clicking through your channels without watching. So after that, click on next. Then it takes you here. Add end screen. These are optimization. These settings are advanced settings that helps your video go out there but are not on YouTube. So don't ever post directly from YouTube. Add, yeah, just click on it. Click on that end screen. End screen are those videos that YouTube would display after a particular video finish playing on your channel. So after a person watch a particular video on your channel, instead of taking them out of your channel, it's gonna still play your video. So click on that and click on most recent uploads or best for viewer. You can ask YouTube to pick the best video you want to be displayed at the end, but most times I like to choose most recent uploads, because I want them to recommend my most recent uploads to my friends and subscribers. So I choose there, and I'm going to go ahead and click on save, because make sure you save when you click there. If you click there and you don't save, it's not going to have effect. So make sure, don't forget to save, because if you don't save, if you leave this particular setting, it's just gonna go off. So I went ahead and save, because I want my most recent. If you choose for them to help you, then good. Then go back and click on cards. Cards are those videos recommendation that pop up on the screen when watching a particular video. Do you want that? Yeah, because it works. It really works. When watching a particular video and another one pops up, people will like definitely or most likely click on it. So click on that, and then they're gonna ask you if what particular video do you want for it to display. You're just gonna choose the one you want and click on save. So I saved that, and it's gonna bring us here. I've done everything, all the optimization for this. It brings you to the visibility. Don't go right ahead and put your videos on public, because I know, oh, you feel like, I just finished uploading my editing my videos, I should upload it right away on public. No, it's advisable. I'd advise you to put it on unlisted, because unlisted, anytime you upload a video to YouTube algorithm try to work on it and try to search. YouTube engine tries to search the rightful audience that resonates with your videos. So just keep it on unlisted. That means it's uploading right on YouTube, but nobody else is gonna see it. It's gonna be like on private, and nobody can see it. Like anyone with the video link can watch your video. Yeah, but don't share the video link. Just leave it on unlisted for a period of time, like a little while, and then come back to it and change it back to public on your YouTube profile, on your YouTube page. Yeah, so guys, this is it. Video published, as you can see, updated 6th of January. So thank you for watching.